Okay, are you ready to dive into the world of AI and how it can help you monetize your online presence? Because Underground AI promises to help you get traffic and dominate with Google's secret AI, all without needing to be on camera, create your own content, or spend any money. And that sounds quite amazing, doesn't it? Okay, so this is all about giving you the power to command an entire digital marketing army without even lifting more than a few keystrokes. And it's all about quietly tapping into a brand new Google AI goldmine that no one else knows about. And the best part? You don't have to brainstorm topics and keywords for hours, spend big bucks on freelancers or expensive tools, spend time editing, pay someone to make videos for you, feel like an imposter, and you don't even have to be on camera. So imagine having an entire marketing team on payroll, but it never sleeps, never complains, and is absolutely free. With so little time and effort, nothing can stop you from creating the content, traffic, and profit that you always dreamed of. And that's one of the huge takeaways of Underground AI. This is the power of Underground AI, where for the first time ever, you can dominate Google search results, flood your funnels with buyer traffic, and pump out offers that convert like crazy without manual work or pricey help, promising quick wins and real results.